Hey, what's up, man? What's up?
What's up? Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear. Yeah, I'm not gonna. Yeah, today was just not a good start for me at all.
Well, you was
Uh,
trading.
he said
You was
what?
trading pre-market.
No, that's the thing. I should have been trading pre-market. I saw some opportunities that I did not take this morning. I think I allowed yesterday to really get in the way. So I saw an opportunity at 452 to get in. I chose not to,
Mhm.
to actually get into that because I told myself, oh, there's news. Just wait until after the news, blah, blah, blah. And yeah, if I would have gotten in at 452 as I thought I should have, I would have been up about 20 points at this moment. So that kind of killed my vibe. And I had another opportunity actually at 50 this morning. So both at 50, 52, I had an opportunity. I had two opportunities to get in, didn't get in. So I mean, it was just two missed opportunities. And last night, I missed that 490 short last night. After I got done talking about it in the NA meeting, I had to deal with my daughter, and I missed it. I missed that damn short, and I was like, well, I'll set my limit here, and if it comes back, um, yeah, it didn't come back, and yeah, so
I was
I'm
this short too. Take that short, but I didn't act on it.
Yeah, I mean, shit, yesterday, dude, yesterday was kind of traumatizing, man. Not in a in a real sense, but I was like, dude, it's that kind of thing will kind of kill your confidence if uh yeah, it can yesterday was a confidence killer, but I'm not saying it killed my confidence. It's just the fact that we all know that we don't get days like yesterday often. But when we do get those days, it's like, how do you prevent that type of days from happening? So,
Or
so
the right side, just hopping on the right side and just going with it.
I mean, shoot. I mean, I reviewed the chart. If you literally shorted every bottom, you was good. Now,
Yeah.
if you shorted the bottom, you was good, man. But you don't want to short the bottom, man. I mean, like I said, it's like, man, well, I guess these bears mean business, I guess now, but I guess.
Took this and been done. Could have took that short and been done already.
But I don't think the momentum's to the short side today. I think this is a pullback. So I want to see what happens when we get to this 119 area, actually, 119, 120. I think this is a
But look,
pullback. I think this is a
look, man,
pullback.
we got orders, hella orders at 1900, and what I thought was gonna happen, we're gonna push to 300,
Hmm.
take out those orders of liquidity, and then just sell off back down to 1900. But I don't know.
Yeah, I
Oh,
think I think that might be a spoof. I think that might be a spoof. The reason why I say that is because, I mean, just looking at the chart, I mean, I guess we could continue to go down. The hourly candle does suggest that. Well, actually, no, it's actually still bullish. That's why I said I think this is a pullback. This is actually still a bullish candle. This is actually still bullish. It wouldn't become a bearish candle until we break that. Until we break what's that shit called? Around like 420ish. But you can see that it's getting bought up. So, uh, good morning, my stocks. Good morning to y'all. And look, see and look. And I'm thinking this is a pullback.
thinking it's a pullback to go higher, huh?
Mhm. At least for right now. At least until something changes. That's going to be my bias for right now. I'm gonna really look at these charts and really kind of
Short. I was going to short up here at 211. Ah, that would have almost been 100 points.
mm. And this is in the pre-market. Actually, let me get today's fibs.
Well, no, it was right at the open. I was like, okay. I was looking at it, but I ain't set up enough. Drawing tool. Oh.
So we are coming to this. We are coming to this 23%. Then they're gonna want to protect this low at 19. So I'm gonna try this. I'm gonna try. I'm gonna try. I'm gonna try here at this 23%. I'm gonna try. I'm gonna try.
So much missed opportunity. Could have been done already. Could have been done in the first couple minutes of this. If it rejects this fib, or if we, well, okay, we did.
Hold
dip
on.
into,
What the fuck just? Oh, yo, what? Yo, what happened? What happened just now, dude? What just happened?
into some 5-minute demand. I do see that. Huh.
What happened just now? What? Like seriously, what happened? What happened? What happened? Okay, so I don't know, dude. What happened? So I shouldn't have been stopped out of that position at all. What just happened? Shit.
Oh, no, they don't.
Mm.
Yeah.
That would be kind of suicide right there if I tried to kind of get back into that. Let's see if they double bottom it right here.
It's not really finished yet, though. Of course. All right, look at me taking. Are they gonna treat this as real demand, or are we?
I mean, we touching that 23%, man. We touching that 23%.
Done. So that was just a boost off of the demand. They're not done with the move yet. Not done with the move yet. Why do I even? I'll at least try to shoot for VWAP there. Then maybe get some rejection.
Okay, so let's see. Like, what's going on? What's going on? What's going on? What the hell is going on? What's going on? Dude, I think we're going to 360 today, man. I think that's going to be. Okay, that's what happened.
Say that.
About like 360 or something like that. I think that's what the market is trying to get up to. Like I said, I don't know how it's going to get there and what foolishness that we're going to see before it gets there. But I think that's where the market, that's the objective for today. Because we didn't touch it last night. We didn't touch it last night. So.
Done with this move.
And.
Be. I know you're not done with the move, but I need y'all to be. I kind of need y'all to be done. Get out there.
I don't know. Are you shorting this?
No, I'm long.
Oh, okay. I was about to say, dude, yeah, this is going long, bro. This is long. This is obviously going long. Yeah, so the The updates that I made last night is that yesterday, as I was rewatching the tape, I saw where I went wrong. Dude, I was going in like there was times where I had like 20 to 30 contracts on at one time, which is basically three minis. And as I was scaling in, and that right there kind of encouraged this new rule that I'm gonna have. If I scale in, I can only scale in with three additional contracts. Obviously, I'm gonna have my original 13 contract position, but then all future scale ins will only be three contracts from now on because yesterday I could have survived yesterday if I wasn't so heavy. So yeah, I'm not gonna do that anymore. Man, get my damn target. I ain't playing with you today. Get my damn target.
We're not playing at all today.
I'm playing with you today.
Yeah. Yeah, baby. Yeah, we ain't playing today.
And apparently somebody bought I think 505 million shares of Nvidia. We're going up.
What?
Yeah, it was on Twitter last night. Let me see if I can find it actually. But yeah, it was on Twitter. Someone actually bought 505 million shares of Nvidia.
That's crazy.
Yeah.
Damn. All right, I'm out. And so I took that long in two accounts.
Congratulations on that. See,
60
we can't let yesterday throw us off our square, man. Cause
I mean, yeah, that's what 1900 on this one. Think what did I do on this one?
that's interesting. You made 1900. I made 1500, 1600. I'm still in the position, so obviously it's to be determined. But
Yeah, I'm done. Well, I'm done in that position. I made 2148 in this other account because I had a better entry. I took the better entry. I'm kind of just explain my thought, and I fell for the trap again. Like, okay, so this has happened. Just to put this out there, this happened before. So it's this first move up, right? And I got of the golden fib right here. They broke out. Broke out of this golden fib. I was like, okay. I expected a retest, which they did, but they pushed through the golden fib again and had another leg down. I should have been long down here on the second leg up. I always fall for that for some reason. It happens like way more often, and I'm always getting caught up. I don't know why. I take the bait every single time. So I got back in on this retest of the golden fib. They pushed down the double bottom. We're still in small time. Dang. We just pushed up. We were up like 60 something points, and now it's
back. Yeah, no, I saw that.
And now it's rejected back down to my original position, my original entries. Like, that's wild. Wild behavior in Q. CVD is still negative on Bookmap. Mahi said, I took the short, don't worry. I hope you took the short up here at around 200.
Yeah, because dude, I mean, like I said, we can get this pullback, but I think today is green. The Bears are gonna find out today. The day is green.
Find out.
Our golden zones are different. How did you anchor yours?
Pre-market, same thing I always do. Pre-market high, pre-market low.
Or where's your 0 point and where's your 100%?
My 0 is at the high at 304. And then my 100 is at the low, 1962.
Okay. So my stocks. 8:15. So usually before I start the stream, I got to get my daughter set up. So it's usually not necessarily possible to. I mean, I could start like maybe 20 or 10 minutes before, possibly. but that'll probably be like the best that I would be able to do, especially when you got children and they want to do different things every damn day, even though you got them on a schedule. Want to do what the hell they want to do.
Kids don't schedule. They
Yeah.
do not. They don't care about that.
Shit. He's like, oh, you got me on a schedule? Bet. Bet. I'm not going to use the potty before you get on stream. I'd rather use the bathroom on myself just cuz. Just cuz. Kid, yo. But yeah.
Well, all right. So they did buy off the initial touch of the small time frame demand zone that I got here on the 5-minute.
Mm-hmm.
So that we did get that 62-point push, but now I'm trying to see. Nah, they just rejected it. The Bears just said nah. They rejected it after previous break of structure up here.
Let me make sure. Let me look at this real quick because I'm buying it, but I'm not necessarily paying attention to it. I'm buying it, but not paying attention to it at all. Because, all right, go ahead.
I don't know. I think just looking at this, I think if we don't break below 100, if the Bulls don't come in below 100,
yeah,
or if they do come in at 100 or slightly below, then I think we're good to continue up. But if they don't come in at 100, then they're gonna try to push this to, oh yeah, them orders at 1900. They're stacking up, but the Bulls need to come in like now. And I hate those situations when you gotta depend on the Bulls or the Bears to do something.
Mm-hmm.
I hate being put in that situation where it's clutch. If they don't come in for you, if they don't help you out, then your position's cooked. Like those situations.
Okay, so let's see. So, I mean, the question is, are they going? I mean, they're finding support here. That's the thing, and that's what I'm betting on. They're finding support here, so I mean, I guess they could. I guess they could just run this.
They're probably gonna try to flash 100 just because there's orders sitting down here as potential. That's the target. I think they're gonna try to flush 100, but the Bulls could come in there. But then, if you think about it, 100 more points down, we got 1900, and there's 152 orders sitting down there right now, just waiting. It's like they expect. It's like they know. Yeah, we're going down there. And then the trend, the CVD is still negative. Yeah, man. You still stayed in your long?
Yeah, I'm still I'm still in it.
You may get a pullback, but I would say let's not be stubborn today. We don't want it to be like yesterday.
Yeah, yesterday was definitely pure stubbornness, y'all.
Okay.
But go ahead.
No, I'm just looking at price. Price gonna have to break this. So yeah, my golden fib is from it. Literally just rejected off of it and the 21 and this trend line that I got. So well, it's not real. Like that. There we go. So yeah, if we could push past 150, clear 150, 160, I think you're good for at least VWAP. VWAP test again. So what I thought coming into this, just looking at it, I thought initially they were gonna, since we were up here around the open, I thought we were gonna push to 300 at least, 300, 305, and then fill those orders and then flush down to the bottom orders. But we didn't do that. We stopped short of it, actually. then continue downward.
Oh shit. Okay. So I don't know why. So I have to close out this entire position. Okay. Let me see if I can. I'm gonna have to close this out. I don't know because I'm going to um, so I don't know why this is doing this now. You can see that the system thinks I got 5 contracts long right now, but it's obvious that I don't have 5 contracts long. And if I get some of these targets filled, then I'm going to be put into a short position. So it's like it's kind of this is kind of
wait.
frustrating to me right now.
No, I think you're good. I think you're good now. I see something on the 5-minute. It looks
Oh
like
no. It's not the position itself. Is that for some reason my system I have to probably close this out because if I get my targets hit, then I'm going to be put into a short position. Damn it.
Huh?
Well, if you look at my stream, I don't know why it's been doing this lately, and I have to probably talk to MFF about this because it's been doing it more often than not lately. Damn. Yeah, I think I'm gonna get my stop hit this time. Let me get hit. And then if I get my stop hit, then I'll probably be put in short. Damn it. Okay. Well, but what did you see on the what did you see?
I think I see it. It has to form. It has to finish forming the. I think I see a inverse head and shoulders on the 5-minute. So that's what I was like. Okay, position may be good, but they have to. Bulls have to come in. They have to come in around this 100 area and push it back up like 70 points to complete it.
I mean, I think well, if I can get break even, I'll try to close this position out.
Yeah.
I just hate that I noticed that a little bit too late.
The neckline would be at about 195. I would close out at like 190 if you get to it, but or VWAP. I'd close out around here if it can push back.
Yeah, it's getting rejected right here. It's getting rejected.
Kind of sucks. It rejected this golden fib. That's because they have to push it. They got to break 150 basically. 160.
Damn, dude. Okay, so yeah, you see what it did? Now I'm in short. It's like I don't know what the hell is going on, man. I really don't know what the hell is going on with that.
So did it stop you and then put you in short, or
no? So what it's doing is for some reason I'm getting into a position, and man, oh god, oh my god, all right. So what the system is doing is, so I get in 13 contracts, I get 5 filled, but for some reason it's filling 10, or it's filling an odd number of contracts that I don't have filled. Okay, so let me try to make it more clear. So let's just say I'm in 13 contracts and I have 13 targets. I get 1 5 contract filled, and then for some reason it's saying that I only have 5 contracts left on the board when I don't. I should have what 13 minus 5. I should have what? That's like 8 more contracts on the board, but so when my targets get hit, instead of it taking the target, I'm getting put in short, if that makes sense. Does that make sense? Because it's like a sell stop. If you buy, you got to sell yourself out of the position. And so when it's hitting my targets, I'm opening up a new sell position. Does that make sense? I know it's kind of saying that a little bit weird, but that's what's happening.
I get you. Okay. Nice work. Got Mahi got his target hit at 80. Wait, didn't it fall short of 80 just now? Like a tick? That's gonna be doing that mess to me. I don't know. It's like, yeah, it stopped at 81.75. Unless you just closed out and say, yeah, good enough. See, me, I'll be stubborn.
I want
Like,
my target.
no, give me my dang target. You gonna stop out a tick below? How dare you? Oh, yeah, this is about to run the lows. You know what? They may actually go for this 1900 now. We're so close. What time is it? Coming up to that time, the 9 a.m. algo, but we gotta change a character. Yeah.
Dude, we're gonna probably get like a double bottom at 62 or something.
Oh shit. Oh shit. Yeah. Wait. Can I get in, please? Can I please? Please. Baby, please. I'll take chasing. I'm chasing. Short in the bottom.
Okay. Honestly, I wouldn't be surprised if they bounce to that 904, because that's just what the market likes to do.
Order rejected.
Damn, dude, that's crazy, bro. That's crazy. That is absolute craziness.
Just one of those things where you just go with the momentum. Just go with it.
All right, so what did it? So it stopped at 16. Let me look at this real quick. Let me look at this. Yeah, let's see what they do here at this at 4.
Look at this 15-minute candle.
Okay.
I wonder what the hourly look like.
So let's see.
Jeez.
No.
Jeez.
All right, we got the algo coming up. We know that thing is historically bullish.
Shoot, I forgot about that. How could I forget about that?
You know.
I was caught in the momentum. I got caught in the momentum. Come on, one more push down, baby. Oh, algo. Oh no. Push it down. Push it down. There you go, baby. There you go. Said, nah, we don't get no more bullish algos no more. No more. No more.
Okay.
Let's go. Hit that. Let's go. Yeah. Yeah. Run it. shit. Oh.
Did I make a mistake is the question. The question is, was a mistake just made? Was a
Mistakes
mistake
made.
just made?
What, are you shorting this?
Nah, I got
You
long
longing
at
this?
at 19.3. Mistakes were not made, baby. Mistakes were not
Oh,
made.
shoot.
Ah, crap. Maybe they were made.
You got long
Mistakes were not
19.3.
made.
Hey, you need to be careful though, because this is still in a downtrend, and they haven't met their objective of clearing out 1900. So just be careful this position.
You know how the Nasdaq does. You know what the hell she does, man. You know
I'm
what she
serious.
does.
Sherman, I'm serious. Just be careful with this. I don't think the move is done. It's not complete yet. This may be the pullback. Just protect your position, please.
I only got 3 micro contracts on. Three micro contracts. If I lose, what is that? I only lose $60. So I only got 3 micro contracts on. Only 3. But you may be right because they're not finding support on the ES at all either.
Yeah. Oh yeah. I'm good. I'm good, everybody. I'm good. I was kind of chasing. I was chasing the momentum, and then I wasn't aware of the freaking time. That 9 o'clock can be ruthless.
Yeah, especially when it wants to be bullish.
Yeah, and I wanted to get in at the previous low. Dude, I told you this move ain't done. This
I only got 3 micro contracts. It's not a big deal. I only lost $60 in that. But I got majority of my. Go ahead.
No, I'm saying the objective has been hit. Now, JC is saying 18,803. Sheesh.
Dude, man, what the hell is going on, man? Like, seriously.
We gotta go. Look.
No, I'm talking about like, can we just get a freaking bounce? Can we get both price action on both sides? Jeez. God
I learned
damn.
my lesson from yesterday.
God
Yesterday was
damn.
painful. Hey, even though I chased momentum, got out at the bounce back. Yo, yesterday was just too painful, man. I want to, even if I catch some of it, I just wanted some of it, yo. And look, I kind of got my revenge by going long here. We did get this bounce up here. This was a good amount of points. I don't know what it is exactly, and then I just caught a little tiny portion of this short because of the momentum. That's all that was a momentum trade. Do I think it can go lower than the initial objective? Yes, because they always do that. They almost always do that.
Okay. So we basically, dude, if this shit bounces here, man, god damn.
My next golden zone is 912. Top of it, 912, 18, 912. You're right, though. This mess is straight down. It's a freaking buying opportunity to buy stocks, though, for sure. Let me look. Oh, Nvidia's at 108. It's almost sub 100. That would be, yo, that's a steal.
I remember we was talking about when Nvidia first pumped up. I was like, dude, I know that everybody's gonna want to buy it, and that if you just waited for it, then it's gonna go back to that 190 level eventually.
Yeah.
And shit, we're almost there.
Well, I mean, buying it at 108, it's like buying it at 1,000. What is it, 1,800 or 1,080? 1,080.
I missed this. So I'm gonna wait for a retest of 19.4. That's what I'm gonna wait for. I'm gonna wait for it to come back down here and probably try to get back in long. I mean, we got this breaker structure. I mean, let me really look at this. Are you in trend denial?
Sherman, think about this. This is what we've been asking for months. We've been asking for days like this for months.
We don't want it now. We don't want it now.
Hey, you gotta take it, bro. You gotta take it. We've been asking for days like this for months, and we've just been getting, well, me personally, been getting clapped trying to short longs. Now, when they finally get it, it's like we don't believe in it, and we don't want it. That's the psychology, is messing us up. Well, I'm good. I wasn't about to make the same mistakes as yesterday. Forget that.
We used to pray for times like this, the short like this.
Exactly. Now you don't want to short it. Yo.
No.
You said,
no.
you said yourself yesterday, if you shorted every bottom, it would have been good.
Yo, that's just crazy, man. That's crazy. That's crazy. Can I have my chart back, please? MFF. Okay. All right.
Still, I mean, I still don't think this move is done, really. I don't know. I don't have a target for a lower target. I don't see anything on Bookmap. But let me see if I look left. Pull up the bigger chart and look left. See if there's anything significant. Yeah, this is a straight trend, man.
I mean, is it that volatile? Because my chart is acting like there's so much data coming in at one time and it can't handle it.
Yeah, my stuff is a little sluggish too. It's a little lag. Yeah, it's a little lag on my end. Oh, JC, you got clapped too? Man, that was an unnecessary loss yesterday. Well, I was just in such denial. Like, I was in trend denial. And like, you call yourself a bear, a short seller. I was in denial yesterday. But let's see if we could find some support for our guy here. I don't see anything.
Yeah, I thought they were gonna try to double bottom this. Okay, man.
Dang, yo.
Yeah. Okay. All right. So it's obviously we're still doing the same shit like we did yesterday. Okay. Yes. Fine.
Get up.
Fine.
Uh-oh. He said fine. Watch it reverse now. Nah. Keep going down for our boy.
All right. So let me look at this because they're just eating through all support right now. Like they don't care. Where's the market trying to get to? I think that's what we have to really think about. Like, where is it trying to get to?
That I do not know. But what I do see is these orders, just got ran through. Yo, this is bear paradise. How could you not short this?
Are you short still?
Look, no, I'm not in it. I wish I was a part of it. I mean, I need to stop though. I need to be done because I kind of made back. Yeah, I made back what I lost yesterday, baby. Let's go. Made back what I lost.
Made back music.
No.
Damn it. Okay. Let me see if I can get. Let me see.
That is looking. Hey, JC, that is looking more and more realistic as we go. Seriously. I don't see anything on Bookmap though. Like the book is clear, except for 900. Okay, there's maybe a little bit below 900, but
okay. So yeah, the market is not doing what I think it should do. It's not bouncing at all. It's dropping straight down. What's up?
There's no bounces today. Okay, it's like yesterday. This is like, I mean, think about it. The market dropped what, what was yesterday's drop? 700 and something points.
Mm.
I haven't seen that I haven't seen that since I've been trading. You used to hear about days like that back in the day when they were scared when the market would drop like 500 points.
That's crazy, man.
Yeah, look at this daily candle clocked at 721 points yesterday, 3%. Me personally, I wanted to see a market halt because I've never seen that before on I think it happened back in 08, 09 with the crash.
Yeah.
But I want to see it. I want to see it in my trading career. Obviously, I wasn't trading back then. Yeah, JC says don't marry your bias.
I don't got no bias today.
Yeah, yesterday and today we was looking for that bounce, that pullback, but we got nothing. All we got was clapped. And if I didn't stop myself, I almost blew these accounts. Almost. Crazy to think about. Okay, let me I'm looking at the daily. See if we can get some support. Okay, y'all might think I'm crazy again. I'm gonna call out another spot. Hold on, let me measure it first. Let me measure it and see. Measure it. Okay, that would put us down almost 600 points on the day if it gets there. All right, I'm gonna call out another spot. Don't at me.
I'm at you.
Don't at me. But I see, here's what I see. 18,668. 18,668.
Why that level specifically?
There's daily demand there. Daily demand. I'm looking at the daily chart. There's a big wide range of demand there. That would be insane if we get there today. I mean, but look what happened yesterday. 721 point drop for the entire day.
Oh shit! I did not mean. Okay. Okay. I think I'm done today. I think I'm done. 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 You know what? Fine. Let me short the bottom. Since we don't have no bottom no more, let me short it.
Short that ish then.
Like, god damn.
Short any pullback, I would say. Short the pullbacks.
Like, dude, it's getting ridiculous, man. At this point, it's just pure ridiculousness at this point. Fine. I'll short the bottom.
Fine. I'm short. Good morning.
Hey, why'd you go up? Yo, NQ. Yo, I don't like you. I don't like you, NQ. I don't like you. I don't like you. Yo, I literally shorted the bottom. No.
Wait, which bottom?
Yo, you can't make this shit up. Yo, what? What? Yo, no way. No way. No, oh my God. Yo, Smith.
Short the pullbacks.
Smith.
Short the pullbacks, not the absolute bottom. Short the pullback.
Dude, no way. No way. What?
Oh, I see.
All right, man. All right. I don't, NQ, I don't like you. I don't like you. I don't like you. I don't like you at all.
Back to that BES then.
Dude. Dude.
Let me look at the 2K tick chart.
Dude. All right, so let me see if I can get my money back with this sell, because maybe this is the sell. Maybe, who knows? Yo, okay, I'm done. Okay, obviously today, I'm done at this point.
Yeah.
I'm done. I'm done at this point. All right, so let's see if we get a rejection here. Like, that is absolute craziness, man. Like, that is craziness. I said, when I finally said fine, it bounced. Wow.
We talked about
Wow.
that.
Wow, dude.
We talked about
Wow. 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 Mm. Mm.
Okay.
Mm.
Has it broken the trend yet?
Mm.
I don't think so.
Mm.
Don't think so.
Mm.
Wait.
Let's see what it does at this 1900, dude, because obviously that's where we got that break. So, wow. No, 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 no.
So it just rejected this. Was it the 50? I don't even remember. Yes, the 50 EMA. All right. See if the 50 EMA holds out. It holds out.
Hmm.
It's not a strong cross though. On the 9 EMA cross in the 21. Looks like a weak cross. How the stock's doing? Why is Tesla up out of out of everybody? Tesla's up.
Mm.
Out of all the big tech names, Tesla's up. Crazy. Google's still down. Didn't Google have? They must have had crappy guidance. Didn't they beat their
Yeah, they had
earnings?
the guidance was bad. The guidance was bad.
Yeah, that'll do it.
All right, man. Okay. All right, man. Okay. All right. Okay. I really don't know what's going on today. I really don't know. I'm completely off. Dude, what the hell, man? What is going on right now? What is going on right now? What is going on? What the hell is going on?
883. 883 is the bottom so far. See, okay, so that was over 100-point move up.
Dude, I'm just frustrated right now. Really frustrated. Just frustrated at, yeah, I can't believe the Nasdaq literally did that to me just now. I hit her with the fine and I go short since you just want to go down and continue to go down. And she says, nope. It's actually time to go long.
All right. All right. You hit her with that. She was like, nah, Time to go long. That was a good long. That was over 100-point long too.
And it's crazy because, like, dude, like, I mean, it did kind of stop me out at like 900. It was 20 more points of downside though. But,
I'm gonna.
I was just completely off. I mean, there's never going to be a day where I'm gonna tell myself that to not trade because that's just not my personality type. But I kind of knew that today was going to probably be one of those days for me. Yeah, I had a feeling that today was going to be one of those days because of all those missed opportunity on ES that I didn't take, and the ones I did take, it didn't get as much points. So it's like, you know what? Okay.
But I mean, it's like. I mean, I guess that's the hard thing to find out. Like, when do you long in this negative environment? Everybody selling off.
322. Apparently, they like the long when you finally get short. Apparently, apparently, you finally get short. It's like, oh no, we want to go long now. Well, I shorted this double top up here, so I'm short now at 99. I'm short now. And it did the same thing again, where it didn't hit my target. It missed me by 2 points again. It missed me by 2 points.
Maybe it's time to look at another instrument like CL. Dang, CL. I didn't know CL that's in the 70s again.
It dropped. Dude, okay. Okay, so I hit daily loss in this account today.
Oh wow.
All right, so I'm
Whoa.
damn.
What?
Damn. Hmm.
If I can get my average up a little bit.
I wasn't trading with 3 micros.
Why you go and do that to yourself? 48, 45.
You know what? Fine, dude. Fine. Fine,
How long here? No way. No way, Jose.
And this is a good short too. This will be a good short right here. Oh, I had daily loss of minutes. This is actually a good short. This would possibly be a good short right here.
Much buy volume in this negative environment, though.
Okay. All right, man. All right. All right. Okay. All right.
Risky. Oh, that's
Okay. All right, man.
super risk. Super risk. Bounced off the 9 EMA. All right, come back to the 50, baby. Come back to the 50.
I think we're going down from here, bro.
Think so? You think their fun is over?
Order
their
filled.
rotation is done?
Yeah, I think so.
How about that? Pushed it right back up.
Hold on, give me a second, guys.
Okay. Break that pre-market low again. Bought, negative CBD, negative CBD. But it's a little mini uptrend into a negative trending day. Eight. Yes, I am trying to fade this. Fade this. How many points is that, though? Let me measure real quick while keeping an eye on it. Bottom. $185 Dang. Oh, 65. Nah, there's more ups. Ah, shoot. How much more upside, though?
All right, man.
140.
Dude, that's so crazy, man.
No.
Okay. All right. I mean, what happened, man? Like, seriously, what happened? What happened?
One candle to do all of that.
What happened?
147 points on that 15-minute candle.
What
Wow.
happened? What happened? Okay, let's look at this, bro. What happened, man? Because I was seriously long in this damn thing. I was I was long in this thing, man. I was longing it. And when I said fine,
That's when they get you when you say fine.
I went short. Oh my God, dude. Well, All right. Okay. I think I'm done trading for today. I'm just gonna go on the sell.
Order filled.
The market got me. Yeah, the market got me today. I'm done. I'm done. I'm done, dude. I'm done. I'm
Trump
done.
for air. Not that much. Not that much.
I'm done, dude. All right. 84. So from this golden zone, let me actually look at this because I might just go back to the 27-point stops because this is kind of getting ridiculous. Minus what? 883. I think I would have just got stopped out of this if I was in.
Damn it.
Hold on, what happened? I heard the dong. What happened?
You're ding ding. I was an idiot. That's what happened.
Hmm.
No way. Hold on. Let me look at the 5-minute on here. Oh, look at it. It's almost like a V-shaped recovery. Almost. They just got the second half. 23. I mean, this one 15-minute candle is 150 points. Damn.
Mm.
And then they stopped short at the change of character. Literally right there.
So we got to bounce. Stupid. You know what? Fine, man. Fine. 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 Like, dude, fine. Like, God damn. Ugh.
All right, I see it now.
What did you say?
See that I was blinded by the shorts.
I think so. Right now, let me look at this because I mean I'm looking at it, but now the market doesn't want to go short no more, and it's like, dude, what the like, dude, like, figure it out. It looks like we're getting rejection here from this little consolidation area, and you can see that this is resistance. You can see that this was support that's getting turned into resistance. I do think, you know what? Let me just try one. You know what? Fine. What I really wanted was a short up here, but
Oh man, if this clears that out,
no,
I think
this is the short.
Upset.
I think this is the short right here, bro.
I would be so upset if this clears it out. Oh my gosh. No way. Yo, if this clears out this whole entire move, I will be so upset. Like dang. Okay, so they shorted the mid price basically. 1993. I think they took it to 97.
That's what I really wanted. Yeah, they might come back down and flush this damn thing. Yeah, what I should have did was actually like I wanted the short here. So this is what I'm gonna do. I mean, I'm in the sim right now. This is not real. This is the sell that I really wanted. I should have just waited for this one. Okay, but I will stop out of my full contracts here. Okay, so these last 2 days have definitely not been the best.
If you look at your chart, they pretty much came in at your golden fib down there.
Yeah, that's why I was like, I mean, I got in there. I got in possibly around like 9. Let me actually look at this. Because I got in at 904, or I think I got in at like it's somewhere in this golden fib I got in, and I just got stopped out. And then when I said fine, I mean shit. I mean, if it's just gonna keep going down, I guess mine's well, right? Because that's the name of the game this week. Short bottoms. That's when it goes super long. Like, that's so crazy. That is so crazy. That is crazy as hell. As soon as I did it, that's when it do it. That's when it did it. Mm, that is crazy. Mm.
Let me do something real quick.
And I guess I shouldn't have been greedy today either. Because I mean, I guess I was up about $1,500, $1,600. I should have just stopped. But it's like the market always wants to try to teach you a lesson. Like, I don't need you to teach me nothing. Yeah.
This
All right.
this is crazy though. I will not lie. Today is crazy. It's not exactly like yesterday because we ain't get no type of significant pullback yesterday. Today we got this over 200 point pullback. Like
But I
somebody
mean, go ahead.
somebody in my chat said 18. Who said that? 18,880. Hey, Mahi, where you get that he definitely called that out. 18,880 and it stopped at 883. Yeah, where you see that at? I'm curious to know where you actually found that bottom. That's wild. Let me see. Is there any demand on my other time frame charts? I don't see anything.
Yeah, I don't see anything either.
But we haven't, like, when's the last time we've been in the 18K range?
I mean, 18,880. 18,880. Okay. Okay, I see where you got it from. I see it. I see it.
Where? Explain. Somebody explain.
I'll
Because I
show it
don't
to you.
see it.
I'll show it to you on the chart.
All right.
I mean, it's just one of those things where it's like, I mean, I wouldn't have, I definitely wouldn't have looked at that and said, yeah, but I mean, I kind of see why they bounced it there. Like I said, 1880 to 90 has been support for a long time back in May. 1880, or I'm sorry, 18,880 80 and 90 has been support. And you can see that, I mean, we got this head at 804, so if price does get back down here, we could see a bounce there. But you can see that we bounced at 18,880. We've been bouncing at 1890, 1890, 1880. So that little 10-point range, they've been kind of playing around. And yeah, I mean, like I said, I wouldn't have looked at this and said, yeah, that's where we're going and that's where we're bouncing. But in the past, all the way back in May, it has been support. So
Okay. And then he said the S4 Camarilla pivot. I have no idea what that is. None. They got that on TradingView.
So Trade Bum says that level was 10% and 884 was big support level in the NQ. So they may be done shorting for today. Okay, so it was a 50 SMA on the Qs on the weekly chart. For some reason, I think so. Dude, this looks like a short. Oh, this looks like a short. You know what? Fine. Today I'm just gonna, dude. I'm not thinking about nothing anymore. I'm just gonna take it, man.
He said, I ain't thinking about nothing. I'm just gonna take it.
Yo, today, like, man, I'm like, dude, yes, I guess yesterday affected me more than what I want to admit. I sat there and looked at 4 winning trades and didn't take it. 4 winning trades on the ES yesterday and did not take it. Or I'm sorry, this morning. And that should have been a sign, but like I said, I mean, you can give me all the signs you want, universe, but I come to work every day, win or lose. I'm not going to not trade because I don't feel like it. The fuck that I'm not ever going to do that. But I kind of had a feeling that today was not going to be a good day because I just missed. I just overthought or yeah, overthought what I saw this morning. I'm actually show you what I'm talking about. So I was looking at the ES because that's the only thing I trade pre-market. Or yeah, pre-market is ES. Last night we talked about this 490 level, and I already said that because I'm not gonna sit here and say my daughter, but I missed this entry. I was hoping for a re-entry here, but I didn't get it. So when I woke up and saw price literally rejected from that level I was talking about last night, I think that was strike one for me internally. And then I was also looking at this 450 level because for some reason the ES just loves this level. It's like that four. Let me see what I'm so I can show what I'm talking about. Where was it at? And so you can see that the market's just been bouncing at this 450 to 445 level. And this morning or last night, I was like, well, if I don't get that 490 entry, I can possibly get that 450 entry. And so I put my limit here. And before I went to bed, I was like, with all this bearish momentum, I'm just going to wait and see. And so when I woke up, it hit that damn thing and bounced. And I'm like, dude, what the fuck? And so I'm thinking, well, if they come back, they'll probably double bottom this. And I can probably get this entry again. And sure enough, I didn't set the limit because we had news in the next hour. And after I feed my daughter and come back, they bounced it at 52. And so I was like, dude, I overthought all my winning trades today. And then on the Nasdaq, I started out good. And then when I said, fine, maybe I'm wrong. Maybe the market doesn't want to go long. That's when it said, well, you should have stuck with your bias. And it went freaking long. So I was like, dude, today just been one of those days. Today and yesterday, it's been one of those freaking days, man. And but I guess we'll just have to come back tomorrow. Come back tomorrow. Do I think, and honestly with the ES, what I should have did with this position right here is what I should have did was ask myself before I actually jumped into this. Look at that hourly chart. Man, look at that hourly chart. Man, how the dude? Yes, look at that freaking hourly chart.
Right there. At VWAP. And this is a full recovery almost. And
Yeah.
full recovery. Nasdaq is wild. Super wild.
Yeah, okay. So I'm guessing. So
News
from go ahead. No, this is not news. It just hit support. That's all. That's all that happened. We
Hold
swept
on,
the. You said what?
No, go. Well, what pivots is this on Trading View or in TradeOvate?
This is
That y'all are
in.
talking.
No, this is in NinjaTrader 8. Actually, let me actually look at this because I mean, they're close, but these little pivot points are close, but they're not obviously 100% accurate. So, but maybe it might be my settings. So Maui. I think I got these on my chart, but I didn't set them up or anything. I don't know if. All right, so they got the support and the resistance things on here. It looks back. Yeah, I mean they don't have any. They don't have anything.
Trading View. I typed in pivot.
It says use daily bars or use intraday data. Let's see if that's going to be different.
Who's it by? Is it Lux Algo or?
No, this is an NinjaTrader 8. I don't know if I really don't know if it's anywhere else, honestly.
No, I'm asking the chat in there because they said it's on Trading View. Pivots. I typed in pivot. And it's about to be a full recovery if they keep pushing this. Dang.
Well, I guess. Well, I mean, if you got in at this, okay. So let me look at this on the NQ. Because I mean, let me see. Because I got this intraday, but I might have to do it on a daily, calculated from the daily bars. Use daily. Okay, so let's see. I mean, there is support at this 880. I know that for sure. They didn't give us this bounce at 880 though. The resistance, man. All right, man. All right, I missed a 40-point bounce on the bottom with ES. Like I said, I'm in the sim. Just to remind everybody, I'm at this point. I'm on tilt. I'm just revenge trading in the sim right now at this point. Obviously, if that's not obvious. But these little pivot points on the what is it? Camarella pivots for the ES. It's kind of legit. I mean, they've been finding support at these little pivots for some reason. They've been finding support here.
And that's a ninja?
Yeah, it's a ninja trader. It's kind of legit, somewhat legit. I mean, they're not, like I said, they're close. Like, so last night I did have a range between 495 and 490 for the market to reject. Obviously, it rejected at 490 exactly, but 95 was the top of that range for me, obviously right here. And I think if price does possibly get back to this 95 area, we could see initial rejection from here. Not a reversal, but a rejection. We could see that still. I do have another level that I was talking about was like 50, I think it was like 500, or it's like 5,000 and 503. 5,000 between 503, but then they got like a pivot point here at 507. I mean, we got this big giant range between 506 and 95. So, I mean, this is like 11-point range that the price can trade back into. Of course, dude. There we go. Oh, they were created for ES? Oh, okay. All right. That's good to know. My ego, I don't care about being mad. Oh, okay. So I don't get mad if I lose a trade on the Nasdaq. But if I lose a trade on the ES, my internal voice attacks me with such ferocity that it's like, wow. Wow. Because the ES is just so easy to trade. It's like, how do you lose a trade on the ES? This is me personally, especially knowing how the market, or having an understanding of how the market moves most of the time. Like yesterday, if I lost a trade, okay, obviously it went down in a straight line. You can't predict something like that. But if there's price action, if there's bouncing back and forth on the ES, especially when it doesn't overshoot and it rarely undershoots, and you know this, and you know that it doesn't necessarily attack highs and lows like that, and you lose a trade, me personally, it's like, yo, do you know what the hell you're doing? Like, do you know what you're doing? And that's what my internal voice likes to attack me with. And I do get mad when I lose trades on the ES, I'm not gonna lie, because it's just so easy. And especially when it makes you wait for every entry. When she makes you wait. Hmm. Hmm. Yeah. Okay.
Like a full V-shaped recovery. That's wild.
Yeah, I'm thinking, yeah. Well, like I said, I'm done for the day, man. This hurts my feelings.
Some
My
should have
feelings
told
are
me
officially hurt.
Tesla's up. Now Nvidia's up. That's wild.
Feelings officially hurt.
Dude.
Okay. So let's see if we get a sweep of these highs. Or maybe they rejected here. Who knows?
Let me see.
I think we're trending now.
Nah, we cleared all that out. You think it's a green day now? Think we're gonna end up green? Push to 300?
I mean, if we keep going to the upside, that's the level for the Nasdaq. Once it hits that 360 level, I mean, obviously it can do whatever the fuck it wants, but I expect for it to start to dump at that level or start to
Yeah,
begin to reject. And on my chart, coincidentally, the 23% is sitting at that 60, but you know how she goes. You know she don't get to 60 first. She might get to 30 first, like 30, 50. So between that 30 and 60 range is where I expect the bears, or at least the bulls, to try to take profits and new bears to come into the market to sell it down.
I do see 350 on Bookmap around there.
350.
Some orders sitting there waiting. Dang. Can you imagine catching this long at the bottom?
Yeah, I can only imagine it because I got stopped out.
Riding it all the way up to 350.
Mother. Okay, so let me look at this ES. Let me look at ES real quick, man. Let me look at her. Let me look at her. Let's see if she's gonna want to really take out this high for real. Let's see. Because she's just going up, and my feelings are hurt, man. My feelings are just hurt. Why'd she do that to me? Why did she do that? Okay, so well, let's just see, because the Nasdaq ain't going to. I mean, the ES. I saw that the Nasdaq and the Nasdaq and ES is getting close to what potentially could be some resistance initially. We could see some profit taken here. We could see it. We could see it. Or they can just run right through this. And with the ES. Let's see. So let me look at the on ES. So I mean, they do have orders sitting here at 83, and I do expect for them to touch it, honestly. I do expect for them to sell here. But then at the same time, does the market wants to get back up until, I mean, because we touched 90, we got this drop. Touch 90, we got the drop. Hmm.
Is a wild one.
Man, I don't think we go. I don't think we go back all the way down there though. I mean, even if we do get this, drop, even if we do get it, I mean, I'm pretty sure they're going to bounce it here at 60, 62-ish on the ES. I'm pretty sure. And then we did get that drop. I think this is just profit taking, honestly. This is just people taking profits for right now. We just roll right back to the top of this move because we got this leg down. So, I mean, we can only expect for them to come back in here. We can definitely try to find some support. Let me see if I can just draw this range out real quick. Possibly like right here.
All right. Well, mistakes were made. I faded a move that. Yeah, because I didn't believe it was a true move, but then I started looking at all this other stuff,
Uh-huh.
different time frame charts and everything. I'm like, yeah, like I made a mistake.
What you mean? You went long or did you go short?
I was shorting that move up. I was shorting it.
Yeah. Should be better than that though. Should definitely be better than that.
Yeah, I'm gonna call it. I'm gonna call it here. Yeah, and just come back tomorrow. Shoot.
Yeah, at this point, that's all we can do, man. That's all we can do is come back tomorrow. And I mean, just go ahead.
No, I'm just talking to myself. That's full recovery, like crazy.
Hmm. Yeah, at this point, I'm just. You know what? Let me just write this in my journal real quick, cause uh, I I just like, dude. I know we talked about this previously, but I just absolutely hate it, man. I just hate it. I don't want to write in my fucking journal, man. I don't want to. I feel like it just takes away it just takes away the fun out of this. It just takes the fun out of it. It makes it into a job. Like I'm writing a report on my performance, and that's probably a part of it as well.
That's pretty much what it is.
So yeah, today I sucked today. I sucked today. I said it was gonna happen again, and then it did it. Okay.
Yeah, sucked today. I had redemption and then I gave it all back. Hmm. Crazy. Full on recovery. It just kind of, after that huge move up, kind of slowed down now. Yeah. V shape, recovery, boom.
And you know, honestly, I have to say this too, man. Oh my God. I mean, at the start of the stream, I did say it, man. I broke a rule that I created this morning. I mean, the Nasdaq will make you do that, but I did it. I broke a rule. And the crazy thing is that as I was following my rule, I was profitable. And as I broke it, that's when I hit daily loss limit. I just remember I said I wouldn't scale in more than 13 contracts. And if I do scale in, it wouldn't be more than 3. Well, that didn't last too long. I scaled in. I was in like 23, 25 contracts at one time. Made the same mistake I did yesterday. And I hate that I have to follow rules. And when I don't follow them, it's like a punishment. And I don't know if I'm doing that to myself or if that's just a result. Yeah, I should have just so I'm trying to look for a short, go ahead.
No, go for it.
No, I said I was trying to look for a short opportunity on ES. I want to look for it. I mean, now it's like shit. Now you made me switch my bias. God damn it, you're gonna give me a short, but now the market is obviously going up, so that's frustrating.
I think now I was gonna say is the key point to look left since we already hit all-time highs. Now it's the key point just to look at things to the left.
Mm-hmm.
Price action to give us clues.
Yeah, I think today might be just that day where scalar roll my hit daily loss in my account. I mean, so like I said, these are my worst types of days. It just sucks that we got them back to back. And like I said, I don't like that. I don't like it. I don't freaking like it. I don't like it. And it's easy to go tilt because of it. Mistakes, I made all of them. I made all the mistakes today, man.
Are they gonna come in right here? Took your short?
No, because I don't trust it. I didn't.
Now you don't trust it anymore.
Nah, because man, I said 5. I mean, like, dude, I'm so angry about that. As soon as I said 5, I'm like, dude, how did my fine predict the bottom? I said 5 and went short.
We talked about that yesterday,
bottom.
though. We talked about that yesterday. As soon as you say fine, that's a key indicator in the market reverses. That's crazy. Because that's happened to me before too, plenty of times. You'd be like, man, fine, all right. And as soon as you switch positions, it goes the opposite. Go long, then it starts to short. You short the bottom, then it starts to go long.
Yeah.
All right, well, we got an audible indicator. As soon as we say fine, that's what we know to inverse the fine. Inverse it. Oh man. Inverse it.
I ain't do nothing right today. What should I improve on? So, I mean, like I said, what I had to improve on are just days like today. And I have to respect my rules. I mean, I guess if I respected my rules today, I wouldn't be where I'm at now. I'll be up $1,500 in one account like I'm supposed to be, and going over to the other account. Dude, I just hate that. I guess, I mean, I was on tilt. I guess I was still trading on tilt today. I was trading on tilt.
From yesterday.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. I was gonna say, yeah, because deep down I wasn't satisfied with performance yesterday. So that makes no sense though. Like doing stupid stuff because of like it happened in the past. It's over. You can't go back. You can't go back and change it.
Mm-hmm.
Deal with it. Suck it up and move on. To the next trading day. But I couldn't let it go.
Mm-hmm. I mean, our personalities are too aggressive for that. Because I mean, we talked about this. It's easy to say, and the market is definitely for the type B personality types. If I missed a trade, I missed a trade. Big whoop. There's the next trade. I mean, that's the definition of type B personality. But when you're that type A personality, stuff like that, it just gets to you because it's like, dude, what the fuck? You should have been a part of that. It's that internal voice that starts to yell at you, and it's like, well, yeah, I know. I should have been a part of that. I should have recognized this. I should have recognized that. You allowed your emotions to cloud your judgment when we know that the emotions are basically the recipe for blown accounts. But it's just hard to let go. And for some crazy reason, the only way to let go is if you blow the account. I mean, I don't know why, but it's like, okay, fine. I'll start over fresh. It's all in the past. I blew the account up. At least I tried. And I think that's probably what it is. At least I tried. I didn't give up. So even though you may have won today, you didn't defeat me. And I think that's probably what it is, honestly. Now that I'm really just talking about and listening to myself talk, it's Man, you can't. I don't want to take nothing to the chin. I don't want to. I ain't gonna sit here and let nobody beat me up and take something from me and get away with it. No, I'm not gonna accept that. My personality type can't accept that.
Yeah.
I can't accept that. Uh, Actually, I won't accept it. That's a better way to say it. I can do it. I can do anything. I just won't. Okay, so it does look like they're gonna reject it here. I do start to see um, some failures from the bulls to continue to take price higher, but I mean they might hit us with that big dildo candle out of nowhere. Excuse me, and take it higher. But if we do get about, or if the bulls do fail to take this higher here on the ES that I'm looking at, I do. If they fail to hold that 75 to 74 level on the ES, I can see us take a move back down to at least 60 to 62. I can see that, but I think they're going to try to. I'm thinking that they're going to want to hold this area and push it higher. We'll see though. I mean, we did have a 40-point move to the upside, but at the same time, we did have a massive dump and we did get a massive liquidity grab as well. So in situations like this, it's literally a 50-50 trade, which I improve on. I like. Okay, so obviously the rules are there to protect us once we get into these emotional states with the market. It's here to protect us. But I don't like limiting myself. I don't like limiting myself to $1,500 when I know I can make more. I don't like limiting myself to a certain number of trades, even though I should. I feel like when I limit myself and I'm done for the day, quote unquote, I'm not satisfied with my execution and performance because I limited myself to only 5 trades as an example per day versus taking all winning trades that I saw or good setups that I saw. I hate that too. And look at that. That's why I was like, yeah. So it looks like they're gonna want to try to take this market higher. We do have a lower high on the ES, but they could come back to 81 and buy this damn thing. Yeah, I don't want to do that. Okay. What I should just take a deep breath.
You gotta lock risk settings until after the trading day, so you can't go back in and adjust it. I think that's what I'm gonna need. That'll keep you from revenge trading.
Well, there is a setting in TradeAvate. I'm pretty sure you've seen it, but you can adjust it. It doesn't even make sense to have, honestly, if it doesn't like literally lock you out from it, because it's there. It's in TradeAvate.
Yeah, it says it'll lock in the account risk settings until the end of the trading session.
Mm-hmm.
So basically, let's say you set a daily loss for like $500 or whatever, you hit that,
Mm-hmm.
then you feel like, nah, I can get that back. You have that setting set. It's supposed to keep you out of it until the end of the session. And then you come back at pre-market or after hours, be like, oh, I'm gonna get that back. Knowing there's no volume.
Yeah.
That's funny though.
Like I said, man, I just got to oh my God, that hurts. Oh my God, that hurts. That hurts, man. That hurts. That hurts. That hurts.
Yeah. Mental capital. Like, dang. Could have made this. It could have been, could have, would have, should have.
Okay. All right, so I'm done. I'm done for the day. The day was just today and tomorrow, or today and tomorrow. Today and yesterday was not good days for me. Like I said, it's been a while since I hit daily, well, not daily loss limit, but I blew an account in a day. That's been a while. I haven't done that in a while. That should have been a sign right there. Uh, I think we get a. You know what? I think. But are you done? Because I'm done.
Yeah,
I'm
yeah,
done for the day.
yeah.
I'm
I'm
done.
done.
I'm
I'm
done for the
done.
day. I'm done.
I'm done.
Okay. All right,
Yeah.
guys. We started off strong, but the NQ got us. Well, she got me. She got me.
Got me too.
She
Dude.
got me. She got me.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I was not expecting that move up, but then I'm looking at it at the King push chart, and I mean it makes sense that it could happen. Yeah. I want to see it break 300 again, basically for that change of character.
Mm-hmm.
Because technically, it could. We've dropped all this much. It bounced. It could hit up here and reject up here and go back down for the next leg. Could, or it could continue breaking out to the upside. But I don't know. We'll see. Time will tell.
Yeah.
Time will tell.
Let me see what they do here. But all right. Yeah, that's it for me. I'm done. I'm done. Like that's crazy. This is the type of move that I deserve to always be a part of. But I'm looking on the ES. Like, dude, this is a 40-point move, 50-point, hold on, a 60-point move to the upside, and I got none of it. None of it.
On the ES.
Hell
Dang.
yeah. A 60-point move to the upside on the ES. None of it. Fuck.
The ES is crushing it right now.
Yeah, she is. I'm curious to see if they're gonna reject it here at 95. I'm curious to see. You know what? Fine. This will be my last sim trade. I just wanna walk away with a win. And that's it, baby. I just wanna walk away with a win.
Oh shoot.
Okay, so let's see.
Look at the Dow. I've been saying that I'm gonna make her my secondary.
Mm-hmm.
What's the
Well, I guess we can, like I said, just get everything back tomorrow.
merchant for the Okay, the day margin is $500 for the Dow.
I mean, let me look at the Dow. I mean, I got this gold chart that it's still respecting its golden zones like to the T on gold, yo. I just don't ever want to trade her. Like, yo, she is bouncing and rejecting off these golden zones on gold.
Huh? Gold, huh?
Gold, huh?
Dow for later.
Yeah. Okay. All right, man. I'm done. Yeah. Oh, they got you 240. I mean, honestly, in my mind, what I'm telling myself is that, dude, this bullshit that the market is doing, like I shouldn't be a liquidity. I don't see myself as liquidity, but shit, man, was I liquidity, dude. That is like the craziest thing to me. Like moves like this. I mean, I've looked at the charts long enough to know like when stuff like this happens. But I hate it. But I do see something though. Yeah, okay. Okay, so I see it. Yeah, we're going up. We're not stopping anytime soon. We're not stopping anytime soon. We're actually gonna probably get a full range rotation, and we'll probably see our first rejection if price gets to about like 5,003-ish. I do think that we could see we might get a reversal at 506, but we might see our first rejection around 5,503. Somewhere in this area is where we'll probably see our first real rejection. But yeah, we're getting a range rotation now. We had this area of equilibrium right here. We saw a break of that equilibrium. We saw price come back into this. And then once we saw price come back in, this is a short squeeze. Huh. This whole move was a short squeeze up. All right, so just vindicate me. Reject that 503. Yo, what the fuck? Wow. And then I have that one that's coming up on Monday. So I'll have that one on Monday too. Mm. But all right, I'm in my stream now. I'm about to just start getting ready for my meeting and just and just review the tape and see where I went wrong again. But all right, guys, appreciate you guys joining. We'll do this again tomorrow. Peace out.
Yep. All right. Later.